Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to add custom discount in Magento 2. So let's start. So here let's go to the front end. Give me a second. So let's here I have just already added. Let me add this product. Go to the view and edit product. Here I am adding custom discount that is $5 and the cost going to be like 40, right? So how we are going to add this custom discount or any custom text below this and above this, you can add accordingly, right? So how we are going to add this? Let's start. So first of all, go to this is my module that we have created, registration.php, composer.json, etc module.xml, everybody knows about how to register, module.xml, how to register it, right? So these three parts you already know. The main thing is that is etc. In etc we have a new that is called sales.xml. Here we need to define custom discount and which model logic that I am going to use to calculate the discount, right? So here we have the logic discount model total quote, right? Custom.php that we have mentioned. In here we have added the discount, base discount, 5 discount, this price currency convert, add total amount, add base total, base discount minus discount. So after in the sales xml we have mentioned this file, and this file what it is trying to do is just set the custom discount and minus into the grand total, right? So it will return that one, right? This is the logic of the model. After that, what we have, if we go to the next, we have to show it. So rest part is going to be the view. So front end, first of all, go to the layout. In the layout, checkout.xml, right? Checkout card.xml. Here we have called it block totals. Block totals, we have used custom discount component to render, right? So it is JS file. JS file. So let's go to the view front end. We have the now web JS view checkout summary custom discount.js. Here I am mentioning checkout summary. We have extend the component defaults template. What we are using this one is discount displayed true and get custom discount. That is a function, right? We have what where we have this like collect this function. We have called the function get custom discount. It's a function, and what we are returning static, that is $5, right? After this rendering part we have to use the template. Which template which have the html, which we have to render this $5, the custom text. So let's move to the template checkout summary custom discount.html. We're going to open it. Just price text get custom discount, what it gonna be returned $5, right? So in attribute data th custom discount, that is a text we are going to bind in the class amount. So after running this module it will add $5 into the specific total custom discount td, right? So this is how it will add this one here. So that's it. You can add any of the text to below this. You can just change the sort order of the th or td. So you can accordingly add this kind of custom text or manipulation in the checkout card page, right? So hope you will understand how we are going to add a custom discount in Magento 2 on the card page. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment. Have a great day.